Act within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So, got 10 bolts of Heat & Bond for $1.90, so they were $1.97 each at Walmart. So they did come in. I was afraid they would cancel my order, but right now we are getting ready to go. Sorry if you saw my living room. It's a mess. It stays a mess. It's like even after you clean it, the journey's fun, but like right after we clean it, Journey thinks, oh, let's get everything back out. So anyway, it don't bother us. But it does get cleaned and vacuumed almost every day. Anyway, we are getting ready to go look at cars. So we're in the market for a new car because ours is about to die, and that is where we are going. I'm getting dressed and shoes on, coat on. I am going to grab a battery just in case, because if we see some, or you know, I want to vlog them just so we remember what they look like. Yeah, so let's do this. So we're testing out this one. We got our kids already in the car.
This is actually lower than. I'm gonna take this down so I can see.
Well, you can scoot your seat up, right? Just like our van.
Yeah.
Or you can go up.
Okay, this is just hangs out here, I guess. Okay. Okay, put your foot on the brake.
Fancy.
Wow. This has got to come up though. Oh, now I don't feel so.
What the? This is the TV on.
Hang on, I got to. Kingsport, Charleston, Buena Vista. Oh, this is Charlotte.
No, keep this on. I like it.
WLFG. Alright. Okay. Oh, that's a huge TV. What's this? USB. What's this? Power. Okay. I don't know what auxiliary is. Oh,
That's our phone. Plug your phone in.
Cool box. A cool box keeps stuff refrigerated. DVD.
We got a refrigerator? Grr.
I think it's in the back, but
I thought it was this. This is not a cool box.
okay. I'm nervous. I'm nervous as crap. Because it's like, it's not your car, you know what I mean? You're just out here driving it. Either it hasn't been drove in a while, or it needs some brakes. Which that's kind of why I don't want to blow the whole wad on a car, because it might need stuff once you. Okay, that window was locked. I can open it. I can. Yeah.
So what do you think about this one?
I like it. Drove smooth. Don't hit that car.
Here we are. We are going to test drive a Pilot.
Oh, I don't know.
Journey, quit opening your door. You might.
What's that? Oh, I don't know what that was.
Secret compartment.
Put my brake.
This doesn't go down. I don't know what's back there.
I don't know if it's going to start at all. Okay, we'll put that there. These, I didn't notice that in the other one. If it had like a trip, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Buckle. Boy, they're just really getting in
I
there.
don't know what the I means.
We are done car shopping. I think we're gonna get that van, but we're gonna eat at House of Pizza because they got cheap lunch specials, and I think I'm going to totally eat and not eat my... Come on. Come on. Thought I was going to shut the door on her. So we're back at the scary Walmart, right? It is very scary in here. Listen to screaming. Kids screaming. It's just, there's a lot of people here. And it's like everybody won't get out of your way, blocking the aisle. It seems like everybody's rude. But they have all these cute colors. I kind of want this. What are you doing?
I'm biting my nail.
Don't bite your nails. Alright. Actually, did I already pick this up? I want to say I picked that up. Oh shoot, it's cheaper than this. $3.64. $2.97. And they're almost the same color. Close enough for me. My idea. Got some bananas. So this Walmart is like, it's crazy. I mean, crazy in here. And it's like everything I went for groceries. So I wanted some celery. They didn't have, oh, they had one left. And so this guy was like kind of blocking it. And I'm like, oh, there's one celery left. And he grabs it. So then I was like, well, I'll just get frozen, but they didn't have any frozen. So I just ended up getting this because we are having chicken and dumplings tomorrow for Sunday dinner. And then I needed some strawberries, and all the strawberries are gone. And then I'm like, I'll go grab frozen. All the frozen strawberries are gone, so. Oh my goodness. Can you go outside and draw chalk with her?
Oh no, I don't want to go outside.
Mom, can you don't talk with me?
I'm eating. Do you want to eat your dinner? Do you want to eat your dinner? Do you want your noodles? I'm going to warm them up.
Yeah.
Okay. So, we're eating leftovers for dinner from lunch. I went off. What do you say? I fell off the wagon.
Fell off what wagon?
Where I was doing no carbs and no sugar.
I wouldn't say you fell off the wagon. You could say you took a...
Time out?
You took a 12-hour break.
So anyway, this was my dinner, so my lunch, so I'm eating it for dinner. Anyway, on Jacqueline's channel, she shares the Coke move that she likes it, and I've never tried it. So when I saw it tonight, I want to try it. I want you to have the first little swallow.
It's hot.
It's I feel like it's kind of cold. It's not hot.
No, the can's cold.
Oh, my forehead.
I didn't say get it all over the table.
It's awful.
It's awful.
It's awful because it's fake.
Well, it's fake sugar because there's no sugar. They have the actual kind, but I don't have sugar, so.
Hey, did you draw me that?
No.
You know what it tastes like?
No, dude, Dad.
Syrup.
Don't stop in.
It kind of tastes like
Dad,
the Pepsi
don't
Peeps.
stop in. Don't stop in there. Dad, don't stop
If it
in
wasn't
there.
fake sugar, it would totally taste like a Pepsi.
It's got a perfumey taste.
Dad,
like the Pepsi Peeps.
don't stop in there.
Draw something there?
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of a...
Except for the
I
fake
don't like
sugar
it.
taste. Like, I'm totally used to that because we've been doing this for a little bit now.
What you been doing?
No sugar.
Is it supposed to be
supposed to be a heart.
You didn't say what to draw. You just said draw something there. Eat your food. Eat your food now.
So I came downstairs to clean up a bit. Then he came down here, so I'm putting him to work.
I feel so special.
Do you feel so needed?
Yeah, I feel so needed.
You are needed.
Where's you got a little...
Very good. What does it take?
Is this what come with it?
No. Do I need this? What do I need?
You need to stand back.
Well, I put my toolbox down there because I'm trying to figure out. I put these over there.
Put your toolbox in the she shed.
My she shed.
I want to try that thing out there to see if it works on that computer.
That?
Yeah, I can't get online with. But it's just for 3D printing, and I don't never do that no more. So.
You know, when I was looking at that, I wasn't thinking of this coming off it, so that's why I was totally confused. I'm like,
Did you not just put that on there?
no,
You didn't? It come on it?
it came on it,
Okay.
but
Well, it was probably easier to ship. That's not so loose.
I unscrewed it to get this off.
All right. All right, now what you want to do is crank down on these little rascals right here.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah.
Make sure you get a firm grip right here on your nuts and screw it on there really tight. Does this thing shake? What is this? What is this? What are you going to do with this?
You put this on it, and then it has these attached to this, and then...
Does it attach to a machine?
No.
Oh, okay, then it's not going to shaky shake. Cause this is not a screwdriver, and I'm afraid I'm going to strip that. You got a better screwdriver?
Will you strip that down for me?
Yes. You want to wash it too?
Yeah.
Hurrah! Oh, it's tight. All right.
That's what he said.
That's it. So I don't know where you...
Okay, that screws back on there, right?
Here's something. So I'm assuming that goes
In that hole.
like that.
Okay.
And then this went here.
Yeah. And this goes on. Does it have...
No, that's it.
Oh, I'll show no addresses.
Son of a gun. We'll have big fun on the
Were you supposed to
bayou.
put this on first?
Yes. I need to carry all that.
Welcome to the vlog. We're at church.
You don't need to carry all that.
Journey thinks she has to bring the kitchen sink with her when she goes to church. Hey guys, so after church, and they like to torture me, we're here to eat. So I have to see what they have to eat. I know I'll eat the chicken, but I don't know what else. Hey, you stay right here. You gotta watch for cars, okay? Stay on this side.
Well, no cars go right here.
Right?
But they can be small kids cars with their moms. So that they, I don't care.
You see any kitties? He mad. I don't know.
He's stupid. I hope I hit him in the head.
I want to see him get mad.
I got my wish.
That poor guy way over there.
Up. Buckle up.
Hey,
Hey,
close your eyes.
I'll give this back to you.
Close your eyes. I got a surprise for you. Are you for Dad? Are you ready? Open them.
Hey, robin eggs. Huh. Thank you. Look there. You just saved me so much money because I was going to go to Cookout and get milkshakes. Now I can eat these and be happy. Oh, you ain't buckled up yet. You're so sweet to think about me.
I did. Didn't I say I gotta go get your dad a treat?
Because you made him drive all the way down here.
No, because you deserve a treat.
Thank you very much. Still kind of want a milkshake though. No,
What if I cry?
your door ain't shut, hon.
Oh, that's because I was, you know. Can you see me? Hey guys. So dinner was delicious. We had strawberry shortcake and I should have filmed it, but it was so delicious. And the angel food cake turned out amazing. And then, well, it was Nathan, Cora, Papa and Uncle Brian. So we all ate dinner and then we watched the newer Top Gun movie with Nathan and Cora. And Papa and Uncle Brian had went home, so they left probably like 40 minutes ago. It's like 10:41 right now. So I didn't work. I technically didn't have to work because I don't have any orders that are due to ship out tomorrow. Although I do have a lot on my list to get done this week, so it would have benefited me to at least make my ribbon trims like I wanted to. So everything I set out to do this weekend, I didn't do. And I don't feel a bit guilty at all. Oh, and also I did eat some of the strawberry shortcake, and I did eat some of the chicken and dumplings. So I'll probably go back. I still want to finish off this week. I'm still doing like the no sugar aside from eating the angel food cake. I haven't, you know what I mean. So I'm still going to continue drinking my delicious water and doing like sugar-free products, you know. But April 1st is on Saturday. April Fool's Day is on Saturday, so that would be like, I might continue. I don't know yet. I told my husband, I was like, I don't know, you know. It was kind of nice this weekend. Winnie! She's sticking her hand in the water. You know, to actually eat real food, because not that I haven't been eating real food, but I haven't had any carbs. It's always a protein and a vegetable, a protein and a vegetable. Yes, we're gonna go to bed in a second. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and hopefully tomorrow I will have more, you know, show more of my work and that stuff, and I'm going to be using the Ricoma to try to get some orders done. We'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.